Hi there, it's George here, and today you got a new bamboo video. This time the bamboo is in the snow, it's in winter time, everything is dried out, but the bamboo is with the green leaves, and I decided to do an update video. It's like when my phone says it's -2 degrees, but feels like -7. Well, other leaves it looking okay. This is golden bamboo which I planted. If you remember, I did a video and it was with dry leaves, and I will let that link in description. So now let's see my bamboo plants in the ground and how they looking. So here we go. This is my golden bamboo. Full of stashes Oreo, and so looking. After I planted it, it was grow back, and look at the leaves. They are like green. Let's see close up. They're looking okay, and it looks like dark on the screen, but you know, I will edit the video and you will see the green leaves. So looking, and the stem is kind of yellow because it's golden bamboo. Let me show you like how it's looking. And here it started to grow a new shoot, but I am not sure if we'll open the leaves. Maybe it frozen a little bit. Anyway, it's so looking. It's about 40 centimeters, and we'll see in the springtime, or you know, but I'm sure in springtime will grow from ground new shoots. That's it. We'll see after a few months how these leaves will look like, but now in December they are green yet. Awesome. Now it's time for this one. This I received, you know, rhizomes from Italy. I planted, and the shoots are like 1 meter tall, and they are okay on the leaves as well. And I have a few of these bamboo, frozen a little bit, but you know, will grow for sure the next shoots in springtime. It so looks like. And the one I planted next to the river, it's doing well too. Let me show. We have a little snow, but will melt when in a few days, I think. But anyway, snow is good. Well, that's it for this bamboo video. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. And greetings from Moldova. I will do update video in the springtime or in February, we'll see. And stay tuned. If you want, can subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.